Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this JBL Bluetooth wireless earphones, that how easily you can pair this with your mobile phone. As you can check out this device I have right now, and I'm gonna let you know that how you can easily connect this JBL Bluetooth earphones with your mobile phone. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. And now what we have to do, we have to just check out a button is also provided on this earphone one side. That one is for decreasing the volume, minus and plus is for increasing, and this one is for switching on and off and answering the call. So if you want to switch it on, you have to press and hold this button for a few seconds, and as you can check out, this indicator is blinking. That means your device is in pairing mode. If it stops blinking and keep give you a blue indication, that means your device is already connected with any device. So first of all, just off the Bluetooth of that device, or just switch off, and when you switch it on, keep pressed it for few long seconds, then it will go into the pairing mode. Now what we have to do, as you can check out, I'm going to just my mobile phone's Bluetooth, and after that you have to go down and click on search button. Over there you will find this JBL Tune earphones. Click on that, it will start pairing with this device, and it will ask you that you really want to pair. Click on pair, and voila, that's connected, and it's showing you the battery percentage is over here, and its indication also stopped blinking. That means your device is now in pairing mode. Hope you understand and like this video, and understand that how you can easily connect JBL Bluetooth earphones with your mobile phone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.